Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn how to find out square root, cube of all these numbers, and at the end we will find out maximum number and minimum number. There is Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, and let's take a start. Uh, Please watch this whole video so that you can learn how to find the square, cube, and square root of these numbers using Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's take a start. I'm going to remove all these numbers, and I'm going to use autofill handle to apply this 0 to the rest of the cells so that we can calculate square root and rest of the values over here. So now let's take a start. In this cell I'm going to calculate. Okay ji, let's take a start. In Microsoft Excel, it's a complete exercise, practical. Perform the following task in Microsoft Excel. You need to design this Excel sheet, and after that you need to perform calculate square, cube, and square root in Microsoft Excel. Okay, I've applied merge cells over here. Can you see over here? Apply merge cells, center align, and then here bold style I've applied over here. Okay ji, now let's find out first of all square root. Okay, always whenever you are going to take start to write a formula, then you need to start with is equal to sign. Done. Okay, now after that you need to select what type, square. You need to find square now, so you need to multiply this number how many times? 2 times. So use on screen keyboard so that you can see easily. Just click here, now press shift button, and here is a multiply sign. Now select this cell again 2 times, now press enter. That's how you can calculate what square of this number. Okay, now I'm going to apply autofill so that this formula will be applied to the rest of the cells. It will make your life easy. Look here, 2 multiply 2, 4, 4 square 16, 64, 116. Okay, now next thing is cube. How to calculate cube? Okay, for cube just put is equal to sign. Now select this number again and multiply this number how many times? Just click here, shift multiply, again select this one, now shift multiply 3 times because we are going to calculate cube of this number. So again select this cell. What's the cell reference? Cell reference of this cell is, it's what? It's F7. Okay, done. Okay, now press enter button to apply this formula to the rest of the cell. Okay, cube of this number is 8. So apply now autofill handle, bring your mouse pointer bottom right corner, click hold, it will turn into a small plus sign and drag down easily. Now here we need to calculate square. How to calculate square root? So again put is equal to sign and now write SQRT, square. Square root returns the square root of a number. So select this one, double click on it, it will automatically add one this bracket, round bracket, left round bracket. Now I'm going to select a number, this one. Okay, and now close the bracket. So press shift, hold, and 1 time this ending round bracket. Done. I'm using on screen keyboard so that you can see easily all the steps, and now press enter to execute this instruction. Done. Okay, now apply this to the rest of the cells. Look here, square root of 4 is 8, square root of 16 is 4. Okay, square root of, let's say I'm going to calculate square root of 144 is 12. Then square root of 16 is what? It's 4. Square root of, let's say 200 is 14. For example, 24. Cube is this one. This one is cube, this one is square, and this one is what? Square root. And now again 12. Okay, that's how you can calculate the square, cube, and square root. Now I'm going to find the max and maximum value and minimum value. So it's very easy. Just put is equal to sign over here and write max. Max will return the largest value in the set of values, ignores logical values and text. Double click here. Now select this one. Okay, select this one till here. It will automatically click, hold, and drag, and it will select this range. Okay, if you are not able to drag and drop over here, then you need to do what? Just go backspace, remove all. Now use your on-screen keyboard, and now first of all select this cell, select it, G7. Okay, now put a colon sign, press shift and hold button one time and select this column, click on it, and now select the last value over here, and it will select all the values within this range. So ending value is this one. Now press enter button without putting the inserting the ending bracket. Excel will automatically add the ending bracket. Now run. Done. Okay, now I want to apply what to the rest of the cell. Just drag. Look here. It will automatically calculate the maximum value in this range. Now let's calculate the minimum value. Put is equal to sign. Now write min over here. It will return the smallest value in a set of values. Okay, double click here. Now select this one, and now again same procedure. Press shift and hold button one time and insert this colon sign. Now select this last value in this list, click on it. Now press enter button. So here's the minimum value in this list. So apply this to the rest of the cells. Done. Okay, now let me change their color. So let me change their color. Select this one and let me apply what colors over here. Okay, that's how you can calculate square, cube, and square root. Thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. See you in next tutorial.